How to fix Roblox login issues/errors. This video guide will cover common Roblox login error codes. Common tips to fix Roblox login errors. 1. Common Roblox login error codes. Roblox is a popular online gaming platform that allows users to create and play games. However, sometimes users may encounter login errors. Here are some of the most common Roblox login error codes and how to fix them. Error code 260 *. This error code means that there is a problem with the Roblox servers. If you see this error code, try again later. Error code 2. *. This error code means that there is a problem with the game data. If you see this error code, try restarting the game. Error code 264 *. This error code means that you are trying to place two games at once on the same account. If you see this error code, try removing one of the games. Error code 266 *. This error code means that your internet connection is timing out. If you see this error code, check your internet connection and try again. Error code 40. 3 *. This error code means that you are not authorized to access the requested resource. If you see this error code, make sure that you are logged into the correct account and that you have the correct permissions. Error code 5. 29 *. This error code means that there is a problem with the connection between your computer and the Roblox servers. If you see this error code, try restarting your computer and your router. If you are still having trouble logging into Roblox, you can contact Roblox support for help. Here are some additional tips. For troubleshooting Roblox login errors, * make sure that you are using the correct username and password. * try logging in from a different device. * clear your browser's cookies and cache. * try using a different browser. * update your operating system and browser. * disable any extensions. Or add-ons that you are not using. Restart your computer. Contact your internet. service provider for help. If you have tried all of these steps and you are still having trouble logging into Roblox, you can contact Roblox support for help. 2. Common tips to fix Roblox login errors. 1. Check Roblox servers, https://status.roblox.com. 2. Change a login password/info. 3. Check your registration email address and see if you got any message violation of Roblox standards. 4. Check parental controls, settings, in your RBLX account. 5. Check date and time. 6. Clear browser cookies and system temp files. 7. Update your web browser or Roblox app. Make port range from UDP. $49,152 to $65,535 open in your firewall and / or router settings. 9. Allow Roblox unrestricted access to the internet. 10. Disable any ad blocker browser add-ons. 11. Uninstalled and reinstall Roblox.